Hello everyone, we are going to make the pen tool here. Creation of new designs. And then I will drag the image to fill it up. I will make it fixed over it. And then here are the layers. Creation of the clipping mask. Generate the other design by using the pen tool here. We will drag the similar image on that new created shape from the pen tool. So there it is. So that's the design. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.